Helpful advice to manage your anxiety issues. Everyone that suffers from anxiety knows how difficult the condition can make life. Simple everyday tasks, for example, can become very stressful. Furthermore, if anxiety is allowed to spiral out of control, sufferers can experience full-blown panic attacks. Fortunately, the tips presented below will help even people with severe anxiety to experience some relief from their symptoms. If you have an anxiety problem, then you should cut down on sugar and caffeine. Sometimes these things can make you feel even more nervous than usual. If you must have caffeine or sugar, then at least cut back. Your diet plays a crucial role in how you react to anxiety. When you are suffering from an anxiety attack, you may be tempted to self-medicate yourself with prescription drugs or alcohol. This is the last thing you should do. It may seem to work well for a while, but it can cause long-term problems with drug addiction and alcoholism. Breathe easy. When you start to feel anxious, try to concentrate on breathing correctly. Inhale through your nostrils for about 2 seconds, and then exhale through parted lips for 4 seconds. Continue this routine for a full minute. Once your breathing gets back to normal, follow it up with a couple of minutes of soothing, positive self-talk. Try to exercise every day if you are having trouble with anxiety. When you get rid of all of your extra energy, then you make your mind a little more tired. This is great if you have trouble sleeping because of your anxiety. During exercise you will also notice that you aren't thinking about much, so that helps with anxious thoughts as well. Consider your diet when dealing with anxiety. A diet that is high in sugar and unrefined carbohydrates can contribute to feelings of anxiety. It takes place because when you eat sugary foods, your blood sugar raises first. Then, you experience a blood sugar drop that can leave you feeling weak, anxious and craving more sugar, which only exacerbates the problem. Keep yourself as busy as you possibly can. Being very active helps prevent any anxiety that may occur. As soon as you get up in the mornings, begin doing something immediately. Make sure you keep yourself busy all day long. Clean up the house, walk the dog, clean up your garden, read, or exercise. All these things can decrease your anxiety. Remaining idle just causes you to think about the negative things that are occurring in your life, which makes your anxiety worse. If you believe you are suffering from symptoms related to anxiety disorder, the very first person that you should discuss this issue with is your primary care physician. Your family doctor will be able to inform you whether the symptoms that are causing you alarm are caused by an anxiety disorder, another medical problem, or a combination of the two. As aforementioned, anxiety can completely take over a person's life. Hopefully, after watching the tips in this video, you are ready to begin tackling your anxiety today. Remember, nobody should have to suffer from anxiety forever. By making just a few simple alterations to your life, such as the alterations featured in the tips presented above, you could dramatically reduce your anxiety levels. Discover how I overcame anxiety disorder, and started living life again. Visit secretanxietyhack.com, to learn how I did it. I thought my anxiety disorder was for life, but I discovered how hundreds of former anxiety sufferers melted away their anxiety, and now live relaxed, happy lives, with no trace of anxiety or depression at all. Visit secretanxietyhack.com to learn so much more. Link in the description.